A to-do list is more than just a collection of chores. It is a powerful tool for clarity. It takes the swirling storm of responsibilities in your mind and organizes them into a single, visible plan. When your tasks are written down, your brain is freed from the burden of remembering everything. This mental space lets you focus not on what needs to be done, but on actually doing it. Externalizing your thoughts is the first step to directing attention with purpose. The goal is not just to make a list. It is to create a clear path forward for your day. Think of your day as an empty field. Without a map, you may wander aimlessly. A to-do list is that map. It provides direction and structure. It tells you where to place your next step, and the one after that. This structure reduces decision fatigue. Stress often comes from lack of clarity, not too much to do. A well-crafted list defines commitments, makes worries concrete, and shows what truly matters. Each item checked is a small victory and the start of a positive feedback loop. The process of creating an effective to-do list begins with a simple brain dump. Take a blank page or open a new digital note. Write down every task you can think of. Do not filter, just get them out of your head. Include work projects, personal errands, household chores, and appointments. Capture everything so nothing lurks, causing low-grade anxiety. This is the raw material for your plan. Once you have a master list, choose your priorities for today. Ask, which 1 to 3 tasks make the biggest positive impact? These are your most important tasks. Be realistic. Do not try to conquer the whole list. Focus, not volume. Give your best energy to MITs first. Then add a few smaller supporting actions. For example, main task, write a report. Secondary, emails or a short phone call. Keep your daily list short, 5 to 7 items. Short, curated lists lead to success and momentum. Vague tasks invite procrastination. Break it down. Draft the introduction for the Q3 report. Clear verb, defined outcome. You know what done looks like. Your list should be commands, not wishes. A common mistake is treating your to-do list like storage for everything. That becomes an intimidating scroll you cannot complete. Separate a long-term master list from a curated daily list. Today holds only what you realistically intend to do. This separation keeps you present, not overwhelmed. Use the 1-3-5 rule. 1 big thing, 3 medium, 5 small. The big thing takes a couple hours of focused work. Medium tasks take around an hour each. Small tasks finish in under 30 minutes. This balances big goals and small wins while limiting commitments. Use the Eisenhower matrix. Urgent, important, both, or neither. Prioritize what is both important and urgent, or important but not urgent. Delegate the urgent, not important. Delete the neither. Filter so your time goes to what truly matters. Treat your list as a guide, not a contract. Life changes. End each day with a review and migrate what matters. Your list is a dynamic tool that adapts with you. Once your list is made, execution begins. Eat the frog. Tackle your most difficult, most important task first. Use your peak morning energy to make real progress. That win generates momentum for the day. Large tasks overwhelm. Small targets are achievable. Define the very next physical action. Lower the barrier. Just start. Each small win builds confidence. Work 25 minutes with undivided attention, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break. Maintain sharp attention. Reduce friction for good habits, increase it for bad ones. Every distraction is a detour. Design your space to support your goals. Then sticking to your list is no longer a battle of will. Breaks, environment, and momentum turn intention into action. You now have a toolkit to turn your to-do list from stress into a powerful engine for productivity. You know how to build a focused daily blueprint, separating immediate priorities from the master list. You can keep it short using the 1-3-5 rule. You can execute with practical techniques, tackle the hardest task first, and break big projects into small steps. Begin. Do not wait for the perfect system or moment. Pick one idea. Try a brain dump or choose one MIT. The goal is not perfection. It is a small step forward. Each list is practice in intentionality, deciding what matters ahead of time. Finishing a list is keeping a promise to yourself. Momentum builds with each day you follow through. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Some days will derail. Return to your system, your anchor. The power to design your days is within you. Your to-do list is the key to unlocking it.